Now I will explain, sir, why Guido van Rossum selected the word Python. Okay, can you please guess why he selected the name Python for his programming language? Okay, he may select Guido language, Van language or Rossum language like why he selected Python? Can you please spell out? Sir, very simple. Very simple, sir. If you are fan of Sunny Leone, then automatically for your bike you will keep the name as Sunny. Are you getting something like if you are the fan of okay, just if you are very much impressed, you got impressed like anything, so maybe you are fan of some heroine or hero, so you are trying to use same names in your passwords, in your user IDs. It's a very common, right? The same way this Guido also very much impressed with one fun show, comedy show. Okay, in Telugu we have Jabardasti, Extra Jabardasti, like full comedy shows are there. In India, Coffee with Karan, like there are some programs are there, sir. Comedy shows, fun shows in the TV like. So there was one fun show is there. Okay, sir, the name is the complete Monty Python's circus. The complete Monty Python's circus. Okay, like, sir, do you know this is the comedy show which was broadcasted in BBC. Okay, 1969 to 1974. Okay, Guido very much impressed. Our Rossum very much impressed with this show. So it's a fun. Okay, like a fun show. From this, he selected the word Python to our programming language. Remember this one, sir. So, sir, why the word Python? Sir, because of snake or because of anaconda, like no such type of reasons, right? Why the word Python got selected? Okay, our who developer, our father of Python, this person very much impressed with this show, fun show, the complete Monty Python's circus. Okay, which was broadcasted in the BBC in 1969 to 1974. From this, the name Python came in the picture. Sir, not only this one, sir, for any name there is some story is there, sir. If you consider Java, sir, just only 2 minutes, I won't take much time. Java, why the name Java came in the picture? Do you know James Gosling, who is the father of Java, sir? Why the name Java came in the picture? He is very simple, sir. Do you know? They used the word, they developed some language, programming language. They required some name. So what in the building, just beside their window, there are oak trees are there, sir. Oak trees are there beside the window. Then automatically these developers thought that, James Gosling team thought that, hey, we can keep oak name for our programming language. Like they decided oak as the name and went to the registration. But whenever they approach a registration, oak, this word already registered with some electronics company. Sorry, we can't give this name. Then automatically they have to choose other name. Then usually, so they will very much fancy. The James Gosling, who is the father of Java, they are very much fancy about one coffee flavor, coffee flavor. That coffee flavor name is Java. Are you getting that? Coffee flavor name is Java. That's why they choose Java name for that programming language. Are you getting? Just based on the coffee flavor name they used, that's why the name Java came in the picture. Next, do you know, somewhere you may heard about Hadoop, sir. For the Hadoop, what is the logo for Hadoop? Hadoop, big data, man. Big data. What is the logo for Hadoop? Logo for Hadoop is, do you know, something like a yellow elephant with cap. Correct or not? Yellow elephant with cap. If you want to observe that. Okay, some people may not aware. So do you know Java logo? Java. Here if you observe Java logo. Observe that. So do you know this is the Java logo. Okay. the logo, this is the Java logo. Why? Because James Gosling team, they are always prefer Java flavor tea, Java flavor coffee. That's why they used this word Java. That's why logo. If you consider why coffee cup logo in Java, the reason you know, right? Hadoop, what is the Hadoop logo? If you consider Hadoop logo, are you seeing, right? Yellow elephant. Are you seeing yellow elephant? You can see, sir, yellow elephant. Sir, who is the father of Hadoop? Who is the father of Hadoop, sir? Just cutting some names, sir. Yes, cutting. Dog cutting is the name. Sir, you know why this yellow color elephant came? Anyone, can you please tell the reason? Very simple. The reason for that is, sir, Hadoop means big data. Big data means elephant is the big animal. That's why the name. Hadoop, big elephant. That's why they selected elephant as the logo. No. So they are discussing about logo, which logo we have to keep and so on. So this cutting and is a team, just they are analyzing which logo we have to keep like. So whenever these people are thinking about that, suddenly this cutting is son, he is playing with a small yellow color elephant. Okay, he is playing with a small yellow color elephant toy. Okay, small toy, yellow color elephant toy is playing, sir. Okay, then immediately, why don't you keep this name? Why don't you keep this one as the logo for our Hadoop? Then automatically this person selected. Remember that. By mistake, if his kid is playing with a red color snake, maybe red color snake, maybe logo, sir. Okay, please make sure. So there are some reasons are there internally why the names are coming. So for Python, from where the name is coming, sir? The complete Monty Python's circus. From here the name came. Just if you want, here just have a look once, sir. What is the show name? Can you please spell out? What is the show name? The complete Monty Python's flying circus. Okay, the complete Monty Python's flying circus. If you observe that, these are various logos, right? Remember this one. These are various. So do you know these are various images related to that? Observe that carefully. These are various images. It's a simple fun show. Are you getting? This is the simple fun show, sir. You can see it is a simple fun show. Maybe, sir, in this, are you seeing Python? Friends, are you seeing Python? Pythons like. So from here the name Python came in the picture. That's all. This is the reason, right? Okay. Well, any doubt?